Hey everyone, it's Jamie Nicholls here from directforextrades.com, and I just want to congratulate you on making a smart decision to sign up today. Okay, so when you click the sign up link below this video, it will take you through to this page. This is where we sign up. If you make your way down to the basic information, so if you fill in your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and just click this customer button here. The next section, this is where you'll create your login information. So you'll need to choose a username and password. These details will be used every time you log into your account. So please put them somewhere safe, somewhere you'll remember. And on to the next section is the monthly membership options. Now, to trade as we do as a team, we suggest the Platinum Starter Pack at $234.95. This will give you the IML TV recording sessions, all live trading sessions, and harmonic scanner and pip talk. This is everything we use as a team. So this is our suggestion. And then you'll need to choose the monthly option, which is again going to be the Platinum Monthly. And this is $174.95. And this is paid 30 days later and then every 30 days thereon. So today's payment would be $234.95, and in 30 days time, $174.95. Now, if you choose, you can have the Elite Starter Pack, and this gives you absolutely everything the business offers, including the web analyzer, swipe trades, the bounce back, and our apps for crypto, Forex, and gold. But that's not actually necessary at this very moment. Now, once your account is created, you can upgrade and downgrade the products as well, which is a fantastic option. So if you join today with the Platinum Pack, you can upgrade to the Elite Starter Pack, or vice versa. If you joined through and chose Elite, you can downgrade to the Platinum. And all these options here, they can be moved around as well, so you can add them and take them away as you choose. On to the next section, which is the payment information. Now, there's many types of payment you can use: credit cards, Skrill, MaxiCash, coin payments, etc. But most people tend to choose the credit card. The important thing with this is it has to be in your name. None of your families, like your brothers, your sisters, your mum, your sister, your wife, it has to be in your name. Reason for this is for fraud protection. And if you do try using somebody else's card, it will be declined. So this is where you'll fill in the information here. Very simple. And the last section is just to tick all these boxes here. Very important you tick this one at the bottom. This will connect you directly to me, which is important because as soon as you sign up, clicking that Join Now button, I'll get an email and I'll contact you straight away. And at that point, we can invite you straight away to our group trading sessions, where we hold all our information, our education, our live trading sessions, our signals, so we can get you plugged in straight away. Now, all I have to say is I look forward to joining our team. I'm looking forward to seeing your success in Forex and that you're being proactive to get that financial freedom and that life balance. So again, look forward to speaking to you soon and have a great day.